Hi, folks. This is Don Meisner with the Fish Cat Fishing Report. You know, I want these reports to be really up to the minute and to help you folks go out there and catch more fish. So I stopped by the Thousand Island Bait Store in Alex Bay. You know, this is a little bit south of us, but I'll tell you what, there's some great fishing there as well. And they do so much business that they have an awful lot of visitors coming in and telling them what's happening on the water. So I asked them that very question. Tell me what's happening out there. And they said the walleyes are in 30 to 40 feet. And I said, well, what are they hitting? And they showed me this lure that I'd never seen before. It's called a jigfish. It's a 2.5 ounce lead spoon that you jig, and especially blue and silver. They were selling out of that color so much that they had empty pegs. It's about 2 inches long. And again, by being heavy like that, it allows you to jig in the current and catch these walleyes. I was fascinating. But I said to them, well, tell me more. Tell me about the bass fishing. And they said the green pumpkin Senko, the same thing the folks in Black Lake told me, was a hot bait out there right now. How about pike, I said. They said, well, they're still pretty active. They're getting a little bit deeper, and most people in that part of the river use bobbers and shiners. That's a fun way to fish. It's a little bit different. They said also MEPs in all sizes were really selling out. You know, I think it's interesting to listen to different people in different sections of the river because they can give us a great perspective on the general outlook of fishing and what we need to use. And besides, what's working one place might work another if we just try it. Until next time, folks, this is Don Meisner with the Fish Cat Fishing Report.